For question D, we have to do a little bit more work here because we've been given the sector area and the angle here. So first of all, we're going to need to work out we probably should work out the radius in this problem. So I have my sector area is 33.2 centimeters squared, and that's going to be over pi r squared, and that fraction is equivalent to 90 degrees over 360, or 1/4 of the circle. So I'm just going to use 1/4. So solving for the radius here, I'm going to end up with 4 times 33.2 over pi is equal to r squared, and so r is equal to the square root of all that. Okay, so it's 4 times 33. So I'm going to end up and divide that by pi. So I'm going to end up with square root of 42.27 approximately. So the radius works out to be about 6.50. Okay, so the radius is 6.50, and then we can work out the arc length based on the formula here. So the arc length basically is going to be the theta times the radius length, and we can get this formula from this. So it's going to be the angle over 2 pi is equal to the arc length over 2 pi r. The 2 pi's cancel out, and so we can simplify that to theta r is equal to our arc. Now we don't need to remember this formula because we can always set up the proportion. So if I have theta r, I need to use radians, so I'm going to use pi over 2 times the radius, which is 6.50. So I get about, the arc length works out to be about 10.21 centimeters works out to be my arc length, and that works out to be theta, which is pi over 2 times the radius, which we worked out to be about 6.50.